I'm Nikki.
I'm Angela. We're students from So Josif Yosifsky High School from Evgelia, Republic of Macedonia. I have an aquarium with one goldfish couple of years. Me and Nikki came to the idea to raise herbs and aromatic plants while using the water from my aquarium for their growth. We added 3 more goldfishes. Goldfishes produce a lot of waste. With feces and urine, the fish in the aquarium are releasing ammonia. Ammonia is very dangerous for fish and plants, although the toxicity depends on the temperature, pH, and salinity of water. For example, when the water is acidic, meaning it has lower pH, the ammonium hydroxide is less toxic. The higher pH value means higher toxicity of ammonia. Luckily, with the help of nitrification bacteria, ammonia is converted to nitrate or nitrate that are less toxic to fish, but very useful for plants that are grown this way. Plants are a natural filter. They receive aquarium nitrates from the water through the root systems of how they provide nitrogen for the synthesis of proteins and other nitrogen compounds, and simultaneously clean the aquarium of nitrates, which are harmful for fish and can be foundation for the growth of algae. To start the nitrification process, the fish needed to be fed for 10 days, and finally, we added 5 milliliters live cultures of nitrification bacteria.
Then on top of the aquarium we put the container for the growing plant, made from medical plastics. On the right side there is a 2 cm hole, on which is mounted a hose, which is connected to the water pump and serves to fill the container. And on the left side there is also a 2 cm hole, on which is mounted a hose that returns the water in the aquarium. We filled the container with expanded clay balls and gravel to achieve neutral pH, good aeration and nutrient retention. The expanded clay balls are previously washed. The pump is switched on to see if the system is working. Small pierced buckets are filled with balls of expanded clay. In each of them, the plant is placed with the root down, previously well washed with water and placed in the container. We provided enough light. We are monitoring the water quality, plant growth and fish health every day.
We made decorative and useful room aquaponics system for every family.
On an area of 1.2 square meter we raised 10 to 12 different plants who are continuously growing and can be used for a longer time.
The family saves money from buying herbs and aromatic plants.
The use of herbs without pesticides or herbicides is a lot healthier.
We are sure that the plants aren't contaminated with hard metals or dangerous substances from fertilizers, polluted water and soil.
If we compare this way of raising plants with hydroponics, we can state that aquaponics is the most useful for protection of the environment, because there isn't any use and need of, and stated above, pesticides, herbicides and fertilizers.